Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the Ninja Crispi PowerPod. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Ninja Crispi. So this is the version that I'm talking about. This is the 4-in-1. How do you actually go ahead and clean the PowerPod? So with the Ninja Crispi, all of the parts, which includes the glass containers, their air frying plates, the adapter, and as well as the lids, all of this is dishwasher safe. So you can easily throw these into the top rack of the dishwasher and then turn the dishwasher on and it should be good as new. Now with the Ninja Crispi PowerPod, this one's a bit more difficult to clean because you're obviously not going to be able to throw this into the dishwasher. It's not recommended. So all you've got to do is that you've just actually got to go ahead and unscrew. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you unscrew the top portion, that's going to remove the gasket portion of the PowerPod. And so with the gasket portion, I would recommend using gloves because it is it's not sharp, but you just want to make sure you don't cut yourself on the gasket while you're manually washing it. But unscrew these 4 screws and then wash the gasket. And then for the rest of the PowerPod, I would just wipe it down with a wet cloth. So obviously do make sure that it is unplugged while you're doing this. But that's pretty much it though, as far as how I've cleaned my Ninja Crispi Air Fryer, is unscrewing the actual gasket, and then the gasket's going to get removed. And then with that, you're able to manually hand wash it with soap and water. Make sure it's completely dry before you reattach it to the actual PowerPod. But while the gasket is removed, just go ahead and wipe down as much as you can of the material inside of the PowerPod, being very careful of the heating ring as well. But that's pretty much it though, as far as how to clean the Ninja Crispi PowerPod. If you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.